Hello students, today we will discuss determiners and and the. They are also called articles. They are determiners as well as articles. Uh, we will today discuss only a and and. These a and both are used in the same sense. In the same sense they are used, and they are used before countable noun. They are not used before uncountable noun. This is a water, this is a rice. We cannot say material noun and uh, and before material noun they are not used. Uh, Next rule is they are used in the same sense that I have told. They are used before countable noun. It is clear, but they are used in both sense. Then with before which noun a is used and before which noun an is used. This is the question, and very simple answer. Two clues are there. If a word starts with vowel sound, an will be used, an. If a word starts with vowel sound, an will be used. And if a word starts with consonant sound, a will be used. First thing. Second thing is that even if the word starts with a consonant letter and it gives vowel sound, an will be used. And even if a word starts with vowel letter but it produces consonantal sound, a will be used. This is the main thing. If a noun starts with a vowel, then an will be used. It is not so. Just as you see, university, u is vowel, but the pronunciation of this, the sound it produces is ya, Hindi ya, u, which is consonant. Therefore, a university. And umbrella, this is an umbrella. We cannot say this is an umbrella because it produces vowel sound. A, in Hindi also a. Then the clue is that if you write the pronunciation of the English word and the pronunciation starts with Hindi vowel, that is uh, swar, then an will be used. And if the Hindi pronunciation writing starts with a consonant letter, then what will be used? A will be used. Just as umbrella starts with a, therefore an umbrella. Honest starts with, the word starts with H consonant, but it produces vowel sound. O, therefore it will be honest, an honest. Similarly, university, it starts with U vowel, but it produces uh, you see consonantal sound. Therefore, a university. A unique piece of art, ya, Hindi ya, consonant. Then when you have a confusion whether to write a or an, you pronounce you write the pronunciation of the word in Hindi, and if the pronunciation starts with Hindi consonant letter kakha gagha up to yara lava talabisha, then a will be used. And if it starts with o a e up to ang, all vowel letter, then an will be used. This is the clue. Just as h consonant, but honest pronounce o, therefore an honest man, an aeroplane, like that. थैंक यू। अब हम ए 1 रुपी नोट, A 1 रुपी note, it starts with O vowel, but we used A. Give me a 1 rupee note, then A it is, not an 1 rupee note. Like that, you see, uh, mm, I saw, we enjoyed a one act play yesterday. One act play, one ONE. देन हम देखते हैं कि आपको ये याद हो जाएगा, ये समझ में आ जाएगी, बड़ा कठिन चीज़ नहीं है। फिर देखते हैं अगला डिटरमाइनर द होगा। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।